Well, this is my first time lifting it, and first time the Jim Boulder's team is lifting it. So yeah, great day out. Great to see all the kids here, see all the parents here, and great to put on a show there as well.
TJ, you're all involved in your own club stuff and everything like that, but you've been coming here every year. It's obviously quite important, and it's fantastic to see the calibre of player, yourself and plenty others.
Look, for us, it's the first opportunity you get to grace the field of past and present legends of the game. So, for me to share the same jerseys as Brendan Cummins and Damien Fitzhenry, Joe Cannon came on, Ollie Cannon, Tommy Welch, the list goes on. So for me to be here, and there's no effort. The effort is from the kids and the parents who travelled maybe 2 or 3 hours to see us here today. So I'm delighted that the game was a decent game. I know everyone is still involved in club hurling, so it's still hard, but no, I'm very happy.